So here is the mobile app. So the mobile app, you can do a lot of cool stuff. So this is the Dubb mobile app. So to record a video on here, you're going to tap the blue camera icon at the bottom. And that's
Hmm.
going to open up the camera right here. And then you got some timers down here. So we got a default time for 1 minute. You can't go beyond 10, 2, 30, all these. To record, you're going to take your finger, tap the circle, timer here, timer at the top. Tap it again, and there's the clip. So the mobile app records in clips, just like the desktop app did that we saw with the X-ray. That's a clip recorder too. So I can hit record again. Each clip has to be at least 2 seconds. There we go. And now I can physically move the clips too. I can take my finger, slide it this way, change the order. So it doesn't have to be in order if you don't want to. And these clips have been automatically saved to my phone. So I have
Hmm.
them in my photo video in case I want them. I can also tap on a clip. I can delete it, trim it, and if I click edit, I have the ability to add royalty-free music. I can add text. I can do a voiceover. I can speed up the action. So if you ever had maybe a patient in the room where you're going down the hallway, you can take your phone and kind of go down the hallway and go really fast and speed it up and kind of do a cool social post on it. Um, and then you have some icons over here. So this one at the top is to flip the camera around. This one right here is a countdown timer. So you can do
Hmm.
3 seconds or 10. I usually like to do three just because it gets you ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3, here we go. And you don't have to trim the first part of the video. This one right here is a teleprompter. So we got teleprompters across everything before that, every part of it. But this is one of the best ones because as long as you have your arm out like this and you slightly tilt the phone, it's really good in terms of like looking like you're looking at the camera. So you can choose the speed right here, get it going towards the top. You can also edit this, the little pencil icon. You can come in here and make some changes if you want. And if you find that your eyes are cheating and dropping down, just slide this up and it won't let you look down. It'll keep your eyes towards the top. So teleprompters are pretty awesome when you get used to using them. And then down here, if you want to add a video from your phone to the area down here, like say you got a video on your phone you already have recorded, just go here to the folder icon, pick the photo video you want, and just drop it down. And it'll drop right in here. If you want
Interesting.
to, yeah, and if you want to record your screen right here, if you want to do some filters, this would actually be pretty funny. You can do some skin smoothing, black and white. You can do different colors. If you're sending like an X-ray that's like looks fantastic, maybe you have some coloring effects on it or something, something fun. I don't know. We added these just because we actually had a lot of people said, "Hey, what kind of fun filters can you add?" So anyway, we added those. This one right here, picture in picture. So with this, you could get kind of meta about it. You could take this picture in picture. If I click this here, right? Now I'm on the screen with what's in front of me. So imagine like my TV was like right here, right? You could pull up your TV. Hey, check this out right here. Hey, listen right here. So there you go. You could do that if you wanted to. That's picture in picture. That's your best friend right there. And then if you want virtual background, right down at the bottom. So right here, if you click this here, so say you did some screenshots on your phone. Whoops, I don't know where I went to. App crashed on me. All right, hold on, let me go back. Okay, so this button right here, click here. Then, as long as you have some screenshots saved on your phone, pick the photo you want. Hey, listen, here's your X-ray right here. Check this out. Hey, your X-ray right here. Check out this spot right here. So you can do the same kind of thing just as a screenshot behind you if you want to do that. And then when you're done, just click the blue button, combines everything together, and you got your video and you save it into Dubb.